Okay, I've never seen this before. Literally so brand new, I broke the marketing for it. What's up? It's Chris Young, and welcome to the Jayco Eagle fifth wheel. This is the 335 LSTS. This RV is so new, I can't even give you the exact specifications on the length. So by the time this video comes out, though, we will have that information for you. I'm at the Jayco Homecoming, and this RV is so new that I wanted you to see it. We're actually not supposed to be publishing this yet, but how are they going to stop me? More importantly, when I saw this layout, I was like, okay, I haven't seen this before. This is a couples coach, and it is Eagle. And what Jayco has done this year, they've upgraded a lot of things, from the features to the color schemes. You can probably see how bright it is in here, to some of the things that you won't see, like the fiberglass bat insulation, all of the barriers that they have. This coach, though, said to me, it's a couples coach. And I like it, but there's some things that I can't quite put my finger on. I'm hoping you can help me as we go through it. Let's start right back here in the rear of the 335 LSTS. Number one, you got a 65-inch TV dominating the rear wall, right above a 60-inch fireplace down here. And I'm actually going to cut this on so you can kind of see, hopefully, some of the lights. There we go. Really like this. More importantly, I kind of like how we've taken some great aesthetics of a toy hauler and included it here. Mainly what I like to call the rotund. I have some recliners over here on the campsite nestled in my super slide, which also has my dinette I'm gonna get to in a minute, but I love this sectional. They gave me framing around my windows, large panoramics. I got the blackout shades right here, and I got space here that's not only gonna give me some additional light, but also gonna give me some awesome cross breeze. This pulls out into a sleeper. Right here are my recliners. Right there is a great spot for the kids. And of course, I have my armrest tray table, which is going to give me a great spot for working or eating if I need it. But all the cabinetry that we have is going to be glazed, awesome, updated shaker style, I like to call, with the gold pulls, hideaway hinges, magnetic clasps, and awesome storage options all the way around. They also gave me some power outlets, some USB-C charging, as well as A, and I got my Bluetooth command center right there for my entertainment. You're also not going to have any in-floor ducts in this one with your 35K BTU furnace. Love that, because I'm not going to have any soft spots in the floor. And when it comes to my AC, I got a 15K BTU ducted AC with an option to get an additional one, actually a third one, in the bedroom if you want it. But with the Helix system, Helix is exactly what it is. It's kind of like your DNA, unless you're me, which technically I'm an amphibian, but it circulates the system. All the ducts in there are insulated, and you even have some pretty awesome returns that have filters that you can access and clean if you want to. But for an entertaining and versatile sleeping space, I loved this area. Let me show you what I didn't. This is your off-camp kitchen. Now, let me tell you what I like. Love the solid surface countertops. Love how I have multiple prep areas. Absolutely love this sink, the gunmetal style stainless steel with the veggie rinser. I got the bottle rinser. I got the pull down sprayer. I got tons of storage space down here, including a trash can spot. The drawers are 75-pound capacities on them, full extension on drawer guides. Great space. Then when I come over here to my cooktop, I got the 3-burner range, which is recessed with the grill grate. I got the 24-inch GE profile oven and a pot and pan drawer, not to mention my 30-inch GE convection microwave with air fryer and more storage space. Backsplash, boom, killing it. Space, boom, killing it. Remote control for all my lights, boom, killing it. The space, though, I did not like, mainly because I feel so cramped in here. Now, yes, it is an Eagle fifth wheel, which to me combines awesome amenities, features, and price points for the people looking for an upgraded camping experience without breaking the bank or moving into something like a Pinnacle or North Point, mainly because you might not have the truck that can tow it. Yeah, the wood inlay with the decorative lights, love it. The refrigerator, the Everchill 14 cubic feet, fridge freezer combo, my storage there. My pantry, which even has chalkboard paint on it and all the shelves are adjustable, they absolutely nailed it. But I'm feeling froggy, and if you want to jump, jump. I I'm not crazy about this space. Maybe it's just me. Maybe I'm being picky, but it's kind of my job to tell you the things I like and what I don't like about the RVs. I also wasn't crazy about how the countertop extends over the back of my sectional. When I'm moving the slide in and out, I'm kind of worried about this space right here. But I do like the fact that if I need to hand somebody a drink or something, it's very easy to do. If somebody steps out of line and really wants to get froggy, I'm grabbing this grate and we go into town. I don't know. Leave me some comments down below and let me know what you think. But the one thing I really was impressed with, I've seen this in a lot of like models this year. This is a couples coach, but having the versatility of being able to sleep more in my sectional means I also have to be able to feed more. So I like my decorative chairs, love the cubby space, love the windows, the surrounds, the recessed light in my wood inlay. And if I need to extend my dinette, they crushed it with this. They absolutely crushed it with this. Having the versatility to move that out, fantastic. But if you need to get by, guess what, Usain Bolt? You better be hurdling over that sectional to get to the kitchen. But all in all, A- on this one. I have to give it. The only thing I'm not crazy about is that kitchen. I just can't put my finger on what it is. Let me show you some awesome features in this bad boy, though, to continue. So come on. Now, as we move our way to the front cap of the 335 LSTS, you're going to pass your entry door with the awesome clock up top. Like how they gave me a little mini mudroom right here with some hangers for my jackets, whatever, my flip-flops, whatever I want to put there. And the J Command Smart System, I'm a big fan of this because you can control everything in your RV from your cell phone. But if you take a look at your BM Pro command panel, probably one of my favorites, you got everything from your climate control to check in your tanks. And once again, this thing is so new, I'm not even sure of the tank sizes, but I'm assuming the fresh is going to be anywhere from 75 to 80, just like your gray, and your black tank is probably going to be 50 gallons because that's pretty standard on their fifth wheels. But I got my climate controls. I got one-touch automatic leveling. I can control my ACs wherever I want, turn on my lights in and out, and you can check your, and I believe it's called Titan Sync, tire pressure monitoring right here. The cool thing about that is not only do you get the tire pressure, you get the tire temperature as well. I can't tell you how important that is when driving. The number one cause of RV accidents is tire blowouts. So having that, absolutely awesome. You can even put the sync to your propane if you want it to let you know where you're at as far as levels. AKA, they did an awesome job of making camping a lot more enjoyable thanks to the access of information. You can check your battery, check your fuel. You also have a solar panel on this one as well as the solar charge controller. It even gives you the solar history. Why is that important? Let's say, for example, your battery's not charging. Well, it turns out, oh shoot, it hasn't been charging for a couple of days. It might have a dead cell, might need to change that battery, or might need to upgrade it to a lithium. And of course, your settings are all right there, which you can turn this into a Bluetooth and pair it with your cell phone if you want to. Love that. Solid wood handle, taking me up to my bathroom, which you can get the option of the teak seat in here, but I like the sand decor that they put in my surround for my shower. I got the glass enclosure. I got the upgraded shower wand. I got the huge skylight. This is probably one of the biggest I've seen inside of RVs. Then great linen storage plus hangers. I got some cubbies there. Good spot for the toilet paper. I got a big head, so I hit the shower door. I got the high-rise porcelain bowl with the foot flush, butcher block on my vanity, as well as the mirrored medicine cabinet, tankless water heater, which is 60K BTU, as well as the max vent fan. Got some storage down there. This is all nice and awesome. But what's more awesome, you saw how I was about to hit my head? Yeah, Uncle Chris knows. Is the Nuvo H2O water filtration system that's on this. It's a triple filter system that doesn't use salt, it uses citrus, and it will filter up to 5,000 gallons, giving you awesome clean water. But more importantly, it's great for if you go boondocking, so you can have that safe water pretty much anywhere. Got the solid pocket door giving me some privacy. All in all, love this space because I'm not crowded, got good room, tremendous room, even got a duct down there. So if my tootsies get chilly, I can just and get them nice and warm. Love this space, man. This feels more luxury than premium in my opinion. But if you really want to see premium and luxury combined, let me show you this bedroom. and welcome to your private sanctuary. Once again, with your filtered returns, I got my TV backer end bracket right here, plus 12-volt plug, which I think is a very nice addition because some travel TVs are 12-volt. Plus, I got 110 cable and satellite connections. Even have a chest of drawers right here with butcher block, that gorgeous glazed ivory cabinetry front with the gold pulls. Washer dryer prep in my ward. They even gave me some hangers on the back. A very nice touch. And my bed, now you can opt for the Olympic size, but they're pretty much going to come standard with this nice big bed right here. And the strut supported storage underneath is very nice. I got power on both sides. I got a padded headboard, framed out windows. And this I thought was pretty cool. At first, I wasn't crazy about it because I like to have nightstand space that's actually functionable. Is that a word? Probably not. I don't know, I hit my head a lot. But a lot of times they'll give me like the little shelf right here, or they'll give me like the little CPAP shelf right here. Not great, in my opinion. So when I was looking at this, I was like, okay, this is horrible. I don't have a spot for my cell phone. Then I realized right above my padded headboard is a lipped shelf that also has USB-C and charging on both sides. So I can put my cell phone or tablet right here. I kind of like that. I also got my remote light control right there. And then behind me in the front cap, mirrored ward closet, great spot with the hanger bar, awesome shelves. I could put at least 100 pairs of Air Force Ones in there, and it goes pretty deep. Add that to the fact that I got the hamper and the drawers. Yeah, dude, they maximize the space up in here tremendously. Premium, luxury, premium, luxury. Very good mix. Very good mix. And we're not breaking the bank, which I really like. Now let me talk to you a little bit about the outside. Come on. Now let's step out of this awesome 30-inch door, come down these solid step-over steps. I love my grab handle. Onto the exterior. Upgraded for this year. Pretty much everything. You still got the climate shield protection on this and the vacuum bond shielding, which means it's 0 degree tested up to over 100 degrees. Great for if you want to go deep 3-season. I never like to say 4-season with any RV because somebody might be in Buffalo, somebody might be in Albuquerque. So your seasons are going to be different. But the fact that it's vacuum bonded as well, plus I got the heated and enclosed underbelly, that's 120 pounds of pressure per square inch to seal this coach. Add that to the fiberglass bat insulation, plus I got all the radiant barriers around. Then they gave me some rubberized flooring from a pass-through storage and even some of that quote-unquote rotocast down here. Huge fan of that. Right there is my Blue Sync command like we have for our entertainment on the interior. Got my cable connection, USB-C and A charging. Awesome shot of not only the aluminum superstructure that this beauty is made with, but also that foil barrier that you're going to see in here as well. The other thing that I like that they did, they rounded my bottoms and they made it go around. A lot of times fifth wheels, the edge will stop right here. It's not a big thing for me, but A, aesthetically, it looks better. B, if you do have some debris coming up off the road, that's going to protect your underbelly a little bit. So it's a visual thing more than anything. But I got the marine grade speakers. You're going to have dual 30-pound LP tanks. Probably won't have one in here because we are at a homecoming show, but good spot there. Also got the huge awning, 2 awnings as a matter of fact, with LED lights. My front cap, obviously molded, going all the way around. I got the max turn radius on my Lippert Rhino hitch right here, and my quote-unquote gin box down there. Wow, I like that. They even rubberized this. That's a nice touch. A lot of times they won't even finish off this box. You'll just see metal. So having that is actually pretty sweet. Come around to the off-cab side, and this is where you're going to see your other LP tank, as well as your auto-level controls and your external command center. This makes life so much easier. Not only do you have the 5-inch valves on this bad boy, but they're insulated. That's nice because a lot of times when you're traveling through extremely cold climates, those valves can crack. So having that insulation is nice. Back of my tankless water heater right here, 50-amp plug is right there. Ooh, the tires. Tell you what, we'll probably get a better shot of them on the other side. But these are H-rated tires on aluminum rims. We do have the TPMS on it, which we talked about on the inside. But the CRE 3000 suspension with the never adjust brakes, I mean, it's just an awesome combination of safety and easier towing. Add that to the fact that you have the awesome fifth wheel pin box on there too. Your turning radius is going to be more, and you're going to have a smoother tow. Insulated slides, sealed safety windows all the way around. I'm set up for slide topper prep. Big old pluses on that. Then I come around to the back, got my ladder mounted, got my receiver hitched, so if I want to throw a bike rack on the back, I can. Plus, I'm also set up for backup camera prep. Pretty sweet additions to an already sweet coach. Now, another sweet addition to this is going to be an awesome outside grill that you can get as an option. It's going to go right here in your J-port. Your LP quick connects underneath. Right there's your external shower with hot and cold. And what am I talking about with this external grill that you can get? Well, it's right over here, and I'm going to show you. Because as somebody who loves to grill, I would absolutely say, if you can get the Halo grill for your Jayco Eagle, get it. Not only is it windproof, you got temperatures of 300 to 500 degrees on that bad boy. That is big boy cooking, or big girl cooking, or big kid cooking. I don't care who's cooking, but if you're cooking it at 500 degrees, my burger's gonna be crispy and I'm gonna be happy. So, don't know the weight, don't know the length, but I do know that I love it. Hopefully you do too. Leave me some comments down below. And yes, I am kind of making light of the fact that I don't know the specs because this is so brand new, they haven't been published yet. But by the time you see this video, we will have the proper information for you. I just apologize for not having it now. I hope you can forgive me. And if you did like the 335 LSTS, please leave me some comments down below. And as always, click like, subscribe, and notify so the next time we do one of these, you're the first one to get it. And if you want to get your hands on one of these, rv.campingworld.com. Click a link down below, or just come on into your local Camping World. I'm Chris Young. Hope you enjoyed the Jayco Eagle. I love this thing, except that one little thing in the kitchen, but I can get over it.